What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to open the hatch from the inside. There you go. Without further ado, let's get started. Here are the tools you need to do the project. Paracord, lighter, scissor, pilot drill bit, 3x16 drill bit, 10mm socket, wrench, long nose, prying tool, and headlight. First step, you need to pry this cover using your prying tools and pry it on the right side. And then you will need a 10mm socket to remove this bolt. And then after that, you will need to pry this panel all the way to the other side. Next is you need to remove the clips of your dome lights. There's two of them, in order for you to completely remove the panel. This is the clips of the dome lights. Then after that, you need to remove this plastic piece. Using your 10mm socket and your wrench, you can remove now these 3 bolts. Already remove it from the door. So this is the manual lever that you need to pull in order for you to open the hatch from the inside. So what I'm planning to do is to drill a hole from this metal, so you can add rope or something you can pull onto. I'm going to drill a pilot hole now. So guys, I'm drilling it right now. You need to hold that lever using a long nose, so it's more easy to drill, because otherwise it's gonna move around. There we go. This is just a pilot hole. I'm gonna make it bigger. So guys, I'm done drilling a hole in the lever. This is the drill bit I use, 316. That's enough to insert the smallest paracord in here, just like that. And then I'm going to make a knot in this side now, so I can pull it like that, so you can open it manually from the inside. There's a cup in here that we need to make a hole to. This is the cover I'm talking about, and I'm planning to make a hole on this part and then clip it right on, and then I will slide this end part of the hole in this of this rope in this part. So let's do it. I'm going to drill the pilot hole first. And then 316 drill bit after. Look at that. Right, I'm going to insert it now. From the inside, of course. There you go. And then we can close the lid now. Just gonna slide this cord. So I'm going to close it now. There you go. Oops. There you go. As you can see, I have the access now on the lever. This one, I'm gonna secure it in here. In here, that's the lock. I'm going to put it back now, but I need to remove the rope first. This one, I tied it down so I don't need to hold the door. Maybe I need to change the location of this rope. Hold on. So there you go, I changed the location of the rope that holds the door. Then I'm putting it back to where it should be. So guys, I already closed this plastic, and then this is the rope that needs to be pulled so you can open the door hatch from the back. Alright. So guys, I'm inside now. Hold on, I'm still climbing up. So this is the rope. As you can see, no matter how hard I push it, it's not opening. So let's see if I pull this one and then push the door. Did you hear that clicking sound? There you go. The door's heavy because I have a ladder. So let's lock it again. There you go. It's not opening, right? Let's pull this lever. Did you hear that? Okay, let's open it. There you go. We have access now from the inside. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. There you go. And then push. There you go. So I'm going to put back the cover, but for the meantime, rope works fine for me. This is temporary for now, and because I'm planning to put some lever in here, so I can pull the lever from here. Not just the rope. You can drill a hole in here or here, depending on your liking. So guys, let's try to open it from the inside now. Let's go. Guys, let's open the door from the inside now. As you can see, I already installed the panel. I just put the paracord in between the panel and the windshield there, and then let's try. There you go. Did you hear it? And then let's push a little bit. There you go, guys. Alright guys, let's try to close and open it from the inside. There you go. As you can see, it's locked, right? So this is the lever. Let's just pull it and then push the door out. There you go. There you go, guys. Success, guys. Our project is successful. If you like this kind of video, consider liking and subscribing on my channel. See you guys in our next upload. Bye.